Hey guys, so as you can see here, this person right here, he made $28,590 in just 1 month. As you can see here, he says it's unbelievable that I earned this in just 1 month. So guys, this person by the name of Paulo, he made over $28,000 in just 1 month. So guys, my name is Bicky and today I'm gonna show you this system and I'm gonna show you how you can get started on this same system, okay? But before I show you, let me go ahead to the Facebook group and let me show you what other people are making as well. So here is another person by the name of Garrett, and as you can see here, he says $2,000 made while hiking. So guys, here you can see he made $2,000. It says congratulations, you have earned $2,000 Vortex Live commission, okay? And he says, guys, while hiking up this mountain, I realized I had another $2,000 commission coming in. So guys, this person made $2,000 while hiking. Now if I scroll down in the group, you will see that ton of testimonial. Here is another person by the name of Ned. He says boom, another $2,000 rolled in, and he says just before heading out to church. So guys, he made this $2,000 before heading out to church. And if I keep scrolling in the group, you will see that here is another person, Miles. Miles made another $2,000, and that's total of $6,000 in 24 hours. As you can see, $6,000 in 24 hours. So guys, people are making these big $1,000, $2,000 commission from this high ticket affiliate marketing program. And this is me. I made $1,000 that day, so I have posted in the group as well. So $1,000 before breakfast, as you can see, 7 a.m. $1,000 commission here. So all these people, guys, they are making this big $2,000, $1,000, okay, all this big commission from this high ticket program, okay? Here is a Scott. He says income stream number 2, another $300 in. So he made $300 that day, so he had posted in the group as well. So guys, now let me go ahead and let me show you what is this system, okay? So as you can see here, this is the system, okay? This is the step 1, and once you will do that, guys, you will land on the back office of this system. So if I show you, if I scroll down here, you will see that income stream number 1, okay, income stream number 2, okay, income stream number 3, and income stream number 4. So there are 4 different income stream on this system, okay? And if I show you, this is how much I have made in total. So I have made over $11,000 in just 2 weeks. So now the question is, guys, how you can get started, okay? So this is my Facebook profile, okay? This is my Facebook page. As you can see, Bicky Kumar, this is my name, and this is my Facebook official page. So what you're gonna do, guys, you need to follow these 2 easy steps, okay? The step 1 here is like this video, okay? Then step 2 is message me on Facebook saying I am interested in making $10,000 a month, okay? And what I will do, I will help you to get started on this system. Like you can see, this lady here, she just messaged me, okay, and she says I am interested in making $10,000 a month. So you have to do same, okay? You have to message me on Facebook and you have to say that you are interested in making $10,000 a month, and then, guys, I'll be able to help you to get on this system and to make over $10,000 a month, okay? So yeah, guys, if you want to make this big money from this affiliate marketing program, then go ahead, follow these 2 easy steps. Message me on Facebook saying I am interested in making $10,000 a month, and once you will message me, I will help you to get going on this system. I will help you to make this big commission from this program. See you on Facebook.